This is Sarath from Lotus High School. I already explained elimination method. Now, already we discussed in two classes. Now, once again, I am going to explain elimination method, especially HOTS, higher order thinking skills. Now, we are going to learn elimination method. The first question is, here it is there. Now, square root of 2x minus square root of 3y is equal to 0 and square root of 5x plus square root of 2y is equal to 0. Now, we have to solve by using elimination method. Now, we have to solve by using elimination method. So, first of all, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now, normally we have to eliminate either y or x. We have to eliminate either y or x. Now, I am going to eliminate y. I am going to eliminate y so that I should balance the equations. I should balance the equations. Here, I have to multiply with one number. Here, what is that number? Maybe square root of 2. Here, I have to multiply with square root of 3. Square root of 3, then only it will be balancing. Why? Because I am going to eliminate y. So, root 2 into root 3, root 6y, root 2 into root 3, root 6y, so that I can eliminate y easily. Here, I should multiply with one constant. The constant is here for equation 1 into root 2, equation 2 into root 3, so that I can easily eliminate y. So let us check. So root 2 into root 2x minus root 3y is equal to root 2 into 0. We should multiply LHS and RHS with root 2. So now we are getting a new equations. First of all, what is root 2 into root 2? Root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is nothing but root 2 into root 2 is nothing but 2. That's why multiply this and this 2x minus this into this root 2 into root 3y. Root 2 into root 3y. Root 2 into 3 is nothing but root 2 into 3. 2 into 3, that is nothing but root a into b, root ab. That is nothing but root 6. This is nothing but root 6. Root 6y. Root 6y is equal to here 0. Root 2 into 0 is equal to 0. Coming to this equation, root 3 into root 5x plus root 2y is equal to root 3 into 0. That implies root 3 into root 5x plus root 3 into root 2y is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Root 3 into 0. So that implies root 3 into root 5, root 15. Root 3 into, because root a into root b. Root a into root b, root ab, root 15x plus same formula. Root 6y is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. This is equation 3. This is equation 4. Now I am going to solve these two new equations by using elimination method. Now I am going to write new equations. Instead of writing that one, I am writing new equation. So what is that? What is the second equation also I am writing? Now the new equation 2x minus root 6y is equal to 0 and root 15x plus root 6y is equal to 0. This is equation 3 and this is equation 3 and equation 4. Now I am going to solve those two equations, here I am going to eliminate y. What is the coefficient of y? 6. What is the coefficient of, sorry, root 6? Here root 6. So first of all, I have to check the signs in front of the equal coefficients. So here what is that? Root 6y plus root 6 minus and plus. So opposite signs. Here minus root 6y and plus root 6y, that's the opposite sign. If it is opposite signs, opposite means add, addition. Addition means no problem, easily you can add. So what is the sign for this root 15x plus? Okay, no problem. Cancel root 6y and minus root 6y and plus root 6y. This will be 0. No need to write. So here, this is carefully you see 2x plus root 15x. That is nothing but 2 plus root 15x. 2 plus root 15x. If it is normal 15 plus 2, 17x we can write. Here we cannot write. So 2 plus root 15. 2 plus root 15. Root 15 is a rational number. Now 2 plus root 15 of x, and you have cancel 0. 0 plus 0, 0, 0. Now this is nothing but 2 plus root 15, this is nothing but into x is equal to 0. That implies x value, x is equal to 0. This into will be divided by, this is a 2 plus root 15. Just I can write the same. If you what is the answer for 2 plus root 15? 2 plus root 15 only. So transposing into will be divided by 2 plus root 15. That implies x is equal to 0 by anything is equal to 0. So 0 by 2 plus root 15 is equal to 0. 0 by 2 plus root 15 is equal to 0. Just I got x value. Substitute. Put x is equal to 0 in any of the equation, either 1 or 2. What is the original equation? Actually? What is the equation? What is the original equation? 1. The original equation is 2. Now put x is equal to 0 in equation 1. No need to, not only in equation 1 you can substitute x is equal to 0 in equation 2, or already the new equations are there, either 3 or 4 also, no problem, but already have written. That's why substitute x is equal to 0 in equation 1. This is old equations, these two are new equations. So what is the equation 1? Root 2x minus root 3y is equal to 0. What is x? 0. So that's why x value 0, root into x, root 2 into x, root 2 into 0 minus root 3y is equal to 0. That implies anything into 0, root 2 into 0, 0 minus root to 0. So 0 minus root 3y is equal to minus root 3y minus root 3y is equal to 0. Now here root 3 into y, that's why y is equal to 0. This into will be divided by minus root 3 only. Minus root, if it is minus root 3 plus y means so that is a different way. So here 0 by minus root 3, that implies y is equal to 0 by anything is equal to 0 That's why y is equal to 0. Finally, I got x value is 0. Finally, I got x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Whether this solution is correct or not, you can substitute these two values either in 1 or 2 so that you can verify your answer is correct or not. This is question number 2. Again, we are going to solve this sum also by using elimination method. First of all, we have to simplify. We have to write in a new form. Then only you can solve easily. That's what I'm simplifying this one. You know very well. First of all, this is nothing but x by 10 plus y by 5 is equal to 15. This will be transposing this side. 15 minus 1 is equal to 14. 15 minus 1 is equal to 14. So normally, actually we can do cross multiplication method. 5 into x, 5x plus 10 into y, 10y by 50 is equal to 14 you can write. Otherwise you can take LCM method also. Now I am using LCM method. What is the LCM of 10 comma 5? You know very well. The LCM of 10 comma 5 is equal to 10. The LCM of 10 comma 5 is equal to 10. Why? Because 10 is the multiple of 5. That's why 10 is the LCM. No need to go for the prime factorization method. So this is the basic concept. What is the LCM of 10 comma 5? 10. That's why 10 is the LCM. 10 divided by 10. 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1. So 1 into x, 1 into x. Like normal fractions. 10 by 10 is equal to 1. 1 into x. Plus 10 divided by 5. 2. 2 into y is equal to 14. That implies 1 into x you can write x. X plus 2y by 10 is equal to 14. That implies x plus 2y is equal to 14. This by 10 will be going to from LHS to RHS. It will be into 10 into 10. That implies x plus 2y is equal to 140. This is equation 3. This is equation 3. Actually, this is equation 1. This is equation 2. This will be a new equation. This is equation 3. Now I am going to simplify that one also. Here again, what is the LCM? 8 comma 6. The LCM of 8 comma 6 is 24. 24. 8 comma 6. LCM of 8 comma 6. 2 table 4 times. 3 times. 4 and 3 are co-prime to each other. So that you can stop. LCM is equal to 2 into 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. So LCM is 24. So that 24 divided by 8. 24 divided by 8. What is the answer for 24 divided by 8? 3. That's why 3 into x plus 24 divided by 6. 24 divided by 6. So, what is the answer? 4 into y is equal to 15. Is equal to 15. So, 24 by 8. 3 8s are 24. So, 6 4s are 24. Now, that implies 3x plus 4y by 24 is equal to 15. 3x plus 4y is equal to 15. This by 24 will be into 24 if it is going to RHS side. So that implies 3x plus 4y is equal to 15 24s are 360. 15 24s are 360. This is equation 4. This is equation 4. Now instead of solving 1 and 2, easily I can solve equation 3 and 4. You know already. From here itself you can do easily. But even then no problem. I am going to explain how to solve equation 3 and 4. Now instead of solving 1 and 2, I am going to solve 3 and 4. What is 3? X plus 2y is equal to 40 and 3x plus 4y is equal to 360. Here also again I am going to eliminate y. So that what I am doing here, I have to multiply with into 2. What is that? Into 2. Into 2. And here not required actually. If you want, you can write into 1. Otherwise, as it is, you can write into 1. So full we have to multiply. So 2 into x plus 2 into x plus 2y. 2 into x plus 2y is equal to 2 into 140. 2 into 140. Coming to here, when you have this equation into 1, so that you can write directly 3x plus 4y is equal to 360. Now I am here simplify 2x plus 4y 2x plus 4y is equal to 280. 2x plus 4y is equal to 280. Here 3x plus 4y is equal to 360. 3x plus 4y is equal to 360. So easily we can eliminate 4y. So directly here I will write steps instead of like this. Just what is the equation 3? That is equation 3. Here I am writing equation 4. 3x plus 4y is equal to 360. This is equation 4. This is equation 4. Now, equation 3 into 2. Already I said equation 3 into 2. Equation 3 into 2. Equation 3 into 2. Just now I explained. Into 2. Equation 3 into number 2. That implies, what is that? Already said no. 2x plus 4y is equal to 2 into 140, 280. 280. Coming to this equation, equation 4 into what is that? 1 only, as it is you can write, but simply here I am writing 1, not required actually. So 1, that implies, what is that? As it is you can write 3x plus 4y is equal to 360. 360. Now we have to eliminate y, but because here 4y is there, easily we can eliminate. Same signs plus plus. If it is same signs, subtract. If it is same signs, subtract. If it is same signs, subtract. Now subtraction. Because of this minus, because of this subtraction, some changes are there. Here, what is the sign of 3x plus? Because of this minus, this plus becomes minus. This plus becomes minus. What about this? This is also plus 360. Plus 360. This plus 360, because of this minus, this plus 360 becomes minus. Same signs, that's why subtraction. 2x minus 3x. 2x minus 3x is nothing but minus 1x. 2 minus 3. Forget about this sign. 2x minus 3x minus 1x. And these two will be cancelled. These two are cancelled. Now, 280 minus 360. 280 minus 360. We know 360 minus 280 is equal to 80. That's why this is minus 80. Minus 80. Small number minus big number. That's why minus 80. Here, minus 1x is equal to minus 80. That is nothing but minus x is equal to minus 80. So that implies x is equal to 80. X is equal to 80. You know how to get. If you multiply minus 1 on both sides, so minus 1 into x, minus 1 into minus x is equal to plus x, minus 1 into minus 80 is equal to 80. Normally the people are used to say minus minus cancel. So actually x is equal to 80. Put x is equal to 80. Put x is equal to 80 in equation either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Which is compatible? 3 is compatible. 3 is compatible. Any equation, no problem. So in equation 3. Equation 3. What is the equation 3? X plus 2y is equal to 140. X plus 2y is equal to 140. X value 80. X value 80. 2y is equal to 140. That implies 2y is equal to 140 minus plus 80 will be transposing from LHS to RHS minus 80. Minus 80. 2y is equal to minus 80. 2y is equal to 140 minus 80. That implies 2y is equal to 140 minus 80. What is 140 minus 80? 140 minus 80 is nothing but 60. That implies y is equal to 60 and you have into 2 will be divided by 2. Y is equal to 30. Y is equal to 30. Therefore, x value, finally, what are the answers? X is equal to 80, comma, y is equal to 30. Y is equal to 30. This is the required solution. So, already we completed second sum. If you are having any doubt whether this answer is correct or not, check, substitute x is equal to 80 and y is equal to 30 in any of the equations so that you can verify easily. Here, again one more question number 3. So, solve x and y, solve a pair of linear equations. Directly you can do, but because here I am going to eliminate once again y only. 2y by 3 plus 2y by 3, here also minus 2y by 3 is there. My work will be easy. That's what directly here I am writing. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1. That is nothing but into 1 if you want. If it is here, definitely into 2, full equation. That is nothing but 2x minus 2y by 3 is equal to 3. Is equal to into 2, no, that's why 6. So, because 2 into x minus y by 3 is equal to 2 into 3, that implies 2 into x, 2x minus 2 into y by 3. 2 into y by 3 is nothing but 2y by 3. 2y by 3. 2 into y by 3. 2y by 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. I have written here. 2 3s are 6. This is equation 3 and this is equation 4. Equation 3 and equation 4. This is equation 3 and this is equation 4. We can solve these two equations easily. Now, I'll write once again here. What is the second equation? X minus y by 3 is equal to 3. This is equation 2. Equation 2. Simplify first of all. What is that? Here, equation 1 into 1. It implies equation 1 into number 1, normal constant 1. That is nothing but as it is. What is the equation? X by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1. Coming to this equation, for this Equation 2 into number 2. That implies, what is that? X by x, before only explain, x minus 2, 2x into 2, 2x minus 2y by 3 is equal to 6. 2y by 3 is equal to 6. As it is, I am going to eliminate y. That's why first itself I am cancelling. Plus 2y by 3 and minus 2y by 3. Because here plus symbol is there, here minus symbol is there. Opposites, that's what I am adding. If I am adding, it will be cancelled. So addition no, because opposite signs, addition. Now here x by 2 plus 2x, x by 2 plus 2x, x by 2 plus 2x is equal to, in here plus only, no, minus 1, but the sign plus 6, minus 1 plus 6, that is nothing but 5. 6 minus 1, 5. Here we have to simplify. I got one linear equation in one variable. We can simplify. How to simplify? So that implies x by 2 plus 2x, x by 2 plus 2x, or x by 2 plus 2x. We can take LCM. Otherwise you know very well shortcut method. So x only plus 2 2s are 4x. 2 into 2x, 4x. 4x by 2 is equal to, by 2 is equal to 5. Now you observe, x by 2 plus 2x only is by 2 only for x, but here it is full x plus 4x. Now before it is 2x, now it is 4x by 2. This is very, very important. Otherwise, if you want, you can take by 1 and you take LCM. That is also no problem. So finally here, x plus 4x, x in the sense 1x plus 4x is equal to 5x. 5x by 2 is equal to 5. 5x by 2 is equal to 5. Now, once again I am writing 5x by 2 is equal to 5. That implies 5x is equal to, by 2 will be transposed from LHS to RHS, it will be into 2. That implies 5 into x is equal to 10. That implies 5 into x is equal to 10 by 5. This into 5 will be, this dot presence into 5 will be by 5. That implies x is equal to 2. I got x value. Now I got x is equal to 2. Substitute x is equal to 2 in either 1 or 2. So I substitute in 2. So here put x is equal to 2 in equation 2. The equation 2, x minus 2y, x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. X minus y by 3 is equal to 3. That implies x is equal to 2 minus y by 3 is equal to 3. Y by 3 is equal to 3. Shortcut method, otherwise you can take LCM. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus y by is equal to 3. That implies 6 minus y is equal to 3 into 3. 3 into 3. Transposing, no. 3 into 3, 9. 6 minus 3 into 3 is equal to, here no place, that's what error. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. That implies, if you want, you can, minus y is equal to 9 plus 6 will be, this is plus 6. Here the subtraction symbol is, that's what, the plus 6 will be minus 6. So, minus y is equal to 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So that implies y is equal to minus 3. How I got y is equal to minus 3? Very simple. Multiply with minus 1 on both sides. Minus 1 into minus y is equal to plus y. Minus 1 into 3 is equal to minus 3. Minus 1 into 3 is equal to minus 3. Now this sum I completed already. Y is equal to minus 3. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3. The same sum we can do in another way also. Just I will say that also. Once again, you can do in another way also. If you are interested, you can do like this. That also once I will explain. Anyhow, this sum you can do in that method homework. Now, just first equation, second equation I have written here. Now, LCM method you know very well. What is the LCM of 2, 3? LCM of 2, 3, 6. Why? Because 2 and 3 are co-prime to each other. So, 6. 6 by 2. 6 divided by 2. The answer is 3. 3 into x. 3 into x. 6 divided by 3. The answer is 2. 2 into 2y is equal to minus 1. That implies 3x plus 2 into 2y, 4y. 4y by 6 is equal to minus 1. That implies 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 1 by 6 will be transposing from this side to that side into 6, minus 1 into 6. Anyhow, minus 1 into 6 is minus 6. Minus 6. This is equation 3. Equation 3. So, this is equation 3. Now, that also I will simplify. Here, if you want, you can take by 1 and you can take LCM. Otherwise, you can do shortcut method. Why? Because x into 3, 3x. X into 3, 3x. 3 into x, 3x. Shortcut method. Minus y. Now by 3. Before it is only, the by 3 is only for y by 3. Now it is 3x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. So, this implies 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 3 will be transposing from LHS to LHS to RHS. It will be into 3. By 3 into 3. This will be 9. This will be 9. So, this is equation 4. This is equation 4. Now, we can solve, how to solve. Easily you can solve equation 3 and 4. Like this also you can do. That's why the same sum you do homework by using this method. By using this method. Both are easy only. You can try like this. Children, we completed 3 sums. 3 very very important sums which are odds. Here I have given 4 sums, not 4, 5 sums. These 5, you solve these 5 sums. These 5 sums are assignment and sent to your class teacher. Sent to your class teacher. One more important point. Already we completed substitution method and we completed elimination method also almost, and we completed 2 more models are there. All of this take one rub book. If it is 10 rupees rub book also no problem. Keep the lesson heading and the methods are first method algebraic methods. First one is substitution, second one is elimination, third one is cross multiplication. So still we did not start cross multiplication, but already we completed substitution and elimination also almost all over. Now all of you start all of you do these sums. These sums are from BK Soni, page number 3.14 to 3.25. 3.14 to 3.25. All of you practice these sums, illustrative examples, and also test your knowledge. That is nothing but exercise. Test your knowledge. These sums are there in page number 3.14 to 3.25. Definitely after reopening, definitely I will ask you people after 1 or 2 days the reopening, I will conduct a test on these three methods compulsory. One is elimination, one is cross multiplication, one is substitution. Definitely I will conduct. So inform to your friends also. Why? Because some of the students they are not practicing. That's why inform to your friends. Definitely I will check the rough notebook. That is 10 rupees notebook is enough. Keep the lesson heading and do. This is very important. If you completed this, definitely we can complete 50% of the chapter. 50%. If you are good at these concepts, we are very good. We are completed 50%. We are going to complete 50% of this pair of linear equations in two variables. So practice in this lockdown time. Practice well. So come with that book. 10 rupees rough book is enough. That is not a new book. It is more high cost is not required. Understand? So in that definitely you should submit to me.